Hi, my name is John and welcome to another Wednesday catch-up. In today's catch-up video, I do a little bit more on lining the lathe up, explain a little bit better how I use the two plastic circles or the two plastic diameters, machined them to make sure the lathe was running nice and true. I do a repair or a modification on a cooler of a large tractor. I'm sort of semi-happy with the result. I'll let you have a look and see what you think. On Sunday, I did mention that I had some Doubleboost hats embroidered. I've actually got one on now, no doubt you can see. If you want to support my channel and buy a Doubleboost hat, go on eBay and type in that number, that's the item number, and it'll bring you straight to them. There's also a provision to buy one from abroad using the eBay International buying system. The hats are priced at 15 quid, including postage anywhere UK mainland. In the new year, I'm going to do not a competition, but I suppose it is a competition, whereby you send in a picture of a Doubleboost hat in the strangest place. I did some cups years ago, and I got quite a few people to send pictures of the cups in different places, and one of the best ones was actually in a diving bell somewhere under the North Sea. Quite incredible. In last Wednesday's video, I showed this method of aligning the lathe tailstock. I had that mounted in a centre with a drive dog. We machined those two plastic discs in both diameters were exactly the same, which means that the lathe is turning true. The tailstock and the headstock are perfectly lined up. What I didn't explain was what happens if they aren't the same size. I'm going to move down to this one. This is the tailstock end and this is adjustable. The tailstock is actually on a dovetail there, and that's two Allen bolts on either side, and you can push it backwards and forwards to line it up. So if this piece of plastic here was bigger than the one at the chuck end, it would mean that the tailstock was too far away that way. If this was smaller, it would mean that the tailstock was too close to me. And when it's exactly the right size, it means it's just in the middle and it's just spot on. That's exactly how it works. Machine them both, measure them, it's either the same size or bigger or smaller. Adjustable by the two Allen bolts in there. You loosen off the tailstock clamp and the tailstock can slide back and forward on the dovetail. That is an arrow at the back to show you where the centre is, but that just gets you roughly somewhere near. I hope that now sort of explains how and why that works. This is a cooler of a tractor. The lad's trying to modify it to fit a different tractor, and what he wants me to do is make that pipe go straight in line like that. Now I would think of the silver soldered onto there, and I think these are crimped into here. So what I might try and do is put some damp rag on to protect it, try and warm the pipe up and just twist the pipe. If it comes unsoldered, I'll have to resolder it, but hopefully if I protect that, get this hot, it might just bend round enough to do what the lad wants. I'll try and keep a little bit of protection on there, try and stop it from actually melting the solder. We'll give it a try, we'll warm it up and see exactly what happens. A bit troublesome with the lights just to get the, once you get the flame stabilised, it's not too bad normally. It's definitely, it is copper pipe, so it should be fairly soft once I get it hot. It'll either bend or it'll pull the shoulder joint apart. I hope it'll bend. Something's happening. You may think the tight thing, but I don't think you've got to bother about that as long as you can get his feet onto it. Not too bad. It'll still flow plenty for what you want, I'm sure it will. I just didn't want to put too much heat on and melt the solder joints in there. I'll repair that, we have squashed it, put a nice drift in there and get it back around again, that'll not be a problem. A little bit rough, but I'm sure it'll do the job for them. I mentioned last week I had a new bit of kit coming in the workshop. Well, it's a second-hand bit of kit to do a review on from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. This is it. It's a robotic arm, CNC controlled with a plasma torch on there. A really interesting bit of kit. I'm looking forward to getting the new plasma cutter from Artec, getting it all coupled together and cutting some shit up. Anyway, once again, just time to see you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I think I need 450 more now to get the magical 100,000. Anyway, thanks for watching.